Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create subtitles in Kapwing. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what do you have to do? You need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to click on once you are on this page, and you need to click on create. And once you are on this screen, you just need to first of all select your video size, like which type of video you want to create. Like if you want to create YouTube videos, then you need to select this one, and if you want to create reels and all, TikTok story and anything, that you can use this option. I'm going to told you in this video a YouTube short video, or you can say any type of short video for TikTok or any kind of platform. So we are going to select this option. Once you select this option, you can say cardboard, or you can say your exact size of you can say video size you will get. Okay, now we are on this page. First of all, you need to click on this option media. You need to import the video which you want to create subtitles, and you need to click on video, and over here you need to select your video. And I have one video that is amazing effects. When we are going to select this option, and the video is imported, it will take some time. It depends totally on your internet speed. If your internet speed is good, then the import will import very quickly. Okay, our video is imported, and now we are going to click when we go your mouse on you can say plus cursor, you need to click on +1. When you click on +1, the video is on your timeline. And now the turn coming, now you need to select subtitles. Okay, over here you can see on the left side of your window, you need to click on subtitles, and once you are on subtitles, you need to click on auto generate. Just click on auto generate, and over here you just need to select language, which language about your video. Like if your video is in English, then you need to select English. If your video in Hindi, then you need to select your video Hindi. My video is in Hindi, then I'm going to select Hindi. And which type of translation you want, like which type of subtitle you want to generate. I want to generate in Hindi. If you want to generate in Hindi, then you need to select Hindi, and if you want to generate English, then you need to select English. Okay, select your you can say language according to your choice. Okay, and you just need to click on auto subtitle. When you click on auto subtitle, it will take some time. It's again depend on your internet speed, how much time it will take, and it may be depend on totally your internet speed, and it will take maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds. It will take some time. I'm going to fast this video. Now you can see over here my all auto generated titles are generated, and now you can see I'm going to play this video. And when you see,
आज आप लोगों को एक ऐसी बात बताने जा रहा हूँ जो शायद
you can see all the subtitles are come, and we just need to adjust our titles according to your need. Where you want to put your titles, you just need to select that position. And
आप लोगों को किसी ने आज तक बताई होगी। दोस्तों, आप लोग जो भी कोई वस्तु देखते हो,
yes, I my titles. If you want to any correction, like if this software will not work correctly words, then you can also adjust the words. Like you just need to double click on the title, and you need to select the title, and you can change what you want to write. And once your change is complete, and you can go for next step. And if we talk about, if you want like if you want to break these two lines into two parts, then you just need to simply press enter, and you just need to press enter, and your words are separated one by one. Okay, so this is the one way. And if we talk about the you can say titles font style and all, font color and all, then you need to go in the right side panel, and over here you can select any type of action you want, like which type of font you want. Like if you want to default one, and if you want you need to click on select all, and over here you can select lots of you can say styles available for any kind of subtitle. Like you can click on this one also, you can select this one, you can select this one. There are hundreds of subtitle styles. You can use any one which you want. Okay, but the best is you can say spoken one is the best. And when
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज आप लोगों को एक ऐसी बात बताने जा रहा हूँ जो शायद आप लोगों को किसी ने आज तक बताई होगी।
and you can also select any kind of like color and all, and over here you can see text colors and all, and you just need to select center align. Your all text will in center, and you can select your color also, and over here you can change your colors. Select F7, you can see the subtitle color will change, and over here you can also select the shadows in the text, and you can adjust anything according to your need, and you can also add some background like as you can see this right now there is no background in the text, and if we click on background you can see the background is available in the text. Okay, so if we select another you can also select any type of background, and if we click on you can say transparent, then background color is gone. Okay, so this is the one way by which you can use the subtitles in Kapwing. So if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries then you can make a comment, I will try to solve your all queries. So by using this method you can easily generate auto subtitles in Kapwing. So hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.